my young friends. How are you all doing today? We are back with a new letter and a new sound. Are you excited? I am very excited to tell you about this letter and its sound. Yes, can you guess which letter are we going to take up today? I know it's so easy to guess. It's H. But before I tell you the sound of letter H, let me ask you, do you love running? Yes. And when you run very fast, you start huffing and puffing, isn't it? So what noise comes when you are huffing and puffing? Isn't it? That's the sound of this letter. Now let's come to the story. Everybody loves Harry, the hairy hat man. He has so many hats that even Clever Cat can hardly count them all. Do you remember Clever Cat? Clever cat. If you ever meet the hairy hat man, remember to keep very quiet. Shh. Why? Because the only thing he really hates is noise. That's why you will hardly ever hear him speak above a whisper. Do you know what's a whisper? Let me tell you a secret. This is a whisper. So he doesn't talk louder than a whisper. He doesn't even wear shoes. Oh my God. Because he says they make too much noise as he hops along. When he's feeling especially happy, do you know what he does? He does a handstand with his hat on. Do you see him doing a handstand? And he has a green color hat. But shh, very quietly, mind you, because he doesn't like noise. That was the story for the sound. Let's go through some words that start with the letter H and the sound is. Can you help me in finding some objects? Wow, I got one. Hen is Harry. Hat. Horse. Then hairy house. Hedgehog. And what else? Can you see? Hand stand. That's all from the H story. And the sound again, let me remind you. Keep practicing till I meet you again. Have a nice day. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel Activity Corner. Bye.